how to fix this metal hub on your wheels. So we got this metal hub from Toyota. Can you hear me? We got this metal hub from Toyota. All you need to do is make sure you find this piece of metal where that should go into your area where you fill in the air. So I'm going to show you how to fix this. So first you find the nozzle, right? This is called the nozzle. The nozzle, air nozzle, and you try to fix it here like this, and then slowly,
push it more.
yes, and then slowly, oops.
And then if you accidentally do that, it's just have to do it again. And
Wait.
And by the way, here is the keys.
There you go. I think you just have to just do it like that, and yeah, can you show me? Yes, see, it's tight now, and just to remove it you just have to hold it and pop it open,
All done.
just on each of the spoke. Just pop
No,
it open
not. You'll get
on
hurt
each
again.
of the fork, and that is it, folks.